Hello everybody, are you interested in making a transparent background in Vtube Studio and make videos like this for OBS? If you are, please watch the video. This is updated for 2024. So the first thing you want to do is go to Vtube Studio here. Here is my character. He's very cute. When I blink, he blinks. Anyhow, the first thing you want to do is go into the settings menu on the left-hand side. You want to go to the camera, webcam, tracking video visual settings here. And you want to install Spout 2. I already installed it, so I don't need to click it, but you want to click on this, install Spout 2. And then you want to activate Spout 2. After you've done that, you want to go into OBS. And by the way, OBS is free, so is Vtube Studio. You want to go to OBS, you want to add a source here, and Spout 2 capture will come up on the sources. You want to click that, I already have it here, and this will allow basically this overlay here, which you can adjust by dragging it. Now, how do you make this transparent? This was something that took me a little bit of time to figure out. But basically, you want to change the background, change it to color picker on the very bottom, hit select, hit OK. You want to click on transparent in capture. If you do not do this, it will look like this. You want to go transparent in capture. Now on top of this, you want to right click on Spout 2. Okay, so what's going to happen is that by default, it's going to look like this, even if you have Vtube transparent in capture. So you want to double click on this. You want to click this as opaque, click this as fast, and click this as default, click this as fast and click OK. And this should make it clear. Voila. If that still didn't work, you might want to change the color to clear here. And that should make the transparent background for your character. And that is it. If this helped you, like the video. If it didn't, leave the video a comment and I'll do my best to try to help you figure it out.